Experiencing issues with your Rogers Xfinity TV box like freezing, slow performance, or signal loss? Don't worry, often a simple restart can fix it. There are two main types of restarts. A quick restart, or soft reset, is like a temporary power cycle, clearing the box's memory and refreshing the system without deleting any of your data or settings. It's the first thing you should try for minor issues. A factory reset, on the other hand, completely wipes the box, restoring it to its original state. This erases custom settings, apps, and login information, so use it only as a last resort for persistent problems. Remember to note any error codes you see before restarting, as this info can help diagnose the problem if it continues. For a quick restart, simply unplug your Rogers Xfinity TV box from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. The box will power back on, refresh, and hopefully resolve your issue. For a factory reset, remember this will erase your settings. The method can vary depending on your specific box model, like the Rogers Xi6 or Xione. Typically, there's a reset button on the back or bottom of the box, or an option within the settings menu. Refer to your box's manual or Rogers support website for the exact steps for your model. After a factory reset, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter your account details. Keep in mind that Rogers is increasingly moving towards app-based TV services, so consider exploring those options as well, as they often have fewer issues with the TV box. Also, if you are still having issues after a reset or quick restart, please call the Rogers helpline.